Whether you'll stick to campsites, conquer off-road trails or seek a remote escape, Stealth Outdoor Adventures camping solutions are designed to get you there and back with ease, comfort and style. If you want to discover your freedom to explore with products as tough as your spirit of adventure, stick with us as we take a closer look at their flagship adventure caravan, which is a top spec at a budget-friendly price. Whether you're a tent camper looking to upgrade to something more comfortable, a caravan owner that wants to go off the beaten path, a wannabe campervan owner put off by the cost, or you're completely new to camping, the Wilde Grand Adventure Caravan could be for you. Not only is it light enough to be towed by most family cars, it comes fully packed with all the equipment and features you need for your adventures. We're going to take a look at the cool looking outside, the luxurious inside, and the feature-packed equipment list. Plus, we'll show just how easy it is to set up. So let's get on with it. First of all, let's look at why you might choose an adventure caravan. 3 things spring to mind when you're choosing something you want. You want it to be desirable, comfortable and affordable. What's desirable is different to each individual, but let's say in this case a premium 4x4, but it's not very comfortable for camping or affordable for most. A mainstream caravan is very comfortable, but is it desirable? And often at around £35,000 may not be affordable either. A tent is definitely affordable, but is it really comfortable or desirable? If we add in the hybrids of a roof tent, that's a more desirable and pretty affordable, but it's not really more comfy than a standard tent. A campervan definitely ticks the desirable and the comfort boxes, but starting at around £50,000 plus extra servicing, insurance, MOT and wear and tear on an extra vehicle, possibly not the most affordable. A trailer tent is more affordable and comfortable, but many would say still not that desirable. Leaving us in the sweet spot, an adventure caravan that does seem to sit in the middle, bringing a level of desirability, comfort and starting at under £20,000 more affordable than some of the other options. Plus, with models being capable of being able to be towed with most cars, you won't have the extra costs of another vehicle or a bigger vehicle. Now looking specifically at the Wilde Grand Adventure Caravan, you can see the simplicity of setting up when you arrive at your camping spot. It's possible to set up single-handed, but with 2 it's a breeze. With its 270-degree canopy with sides also available to enclose it, the outdoor space can be used whatever the weather, and the integral shower and toilet tent gives the privacy you need to be self-sufficient. The pop-up roof can be opened at the front, giving you a balcony in your bedroom, and looking at the outside, the rugged heritage of the Grand shows clearly, but it's not just for looks if you do want to go off the beaten path. Outdoor Bluetooth speakers mean you always have a means of entertainment, and at the rear you have a Bluetooth enabled reversing camera making parking a breeze, and you can see the toilet tent packed away in its storage bag. The rear holds that spare wheel and the gas hot water heater. When it comes to cooking, the front locker houses a pull-out kitchen with twin gas hobs, sink and a fridge. On the other side there's plenty of storage in the secure lockers plus all the electrical equipment including batteries, mains, control panel, inverter and charger. Moving inside, it's difficult to show how big it actually feels. That high apex roof makes it airy and open with plenty of comfortable seating which can convert to an additional sleeping area for 2, and that comfy elevated double bed can double as an extra lounging space during the day. And the fan assisted roof vent ensures good ventilation. Inside there's also no shortage of storage space for all your clothes and adventure equipment. With its built-in inverter, you can also have the choice to use a kettle or induction hob to cook inside. And with a stereo and TV, you have any entertainment you might need. On either side there are opening windows with blinds and fly screens to allow for plenty of ventilation, in addition to the fly screen on the main door. The easily accessible control panel lets you stay in control of the power coming in from the solar panels and charger, plus the level of the water in the tank, with a separate controller for the diesel powered heater. You can check out all the detailed specifications, have a 3D tour, ask any questions, see what shows we're attending, or arrange to visit our showroom by checking out our website at stealthoutdoor.co.uk.